Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today we'll begin with our book, that is Knowledge World of Class 4 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, today we are going to begin with a new chapter, that is chapter number 16, Tiny Helpers. You know, machines are tools which have made our tasks easier and quicker to perform, but don't forget that we are the hands which are giving the commands to the machines to do those tasks. So these things are used in our daily routine, but they are powered by human hands, not fuel or electricity. So now here below you have to read the clues and then identify the tiny helpers. So let's begin with the exercise. The first one is that a cutting instrument having two blades that slide past each other. And what is the answer for this question? The answer is scissors. Then the next question is a piece of metal which accompanies a lock. And the answer is key. The next question is a cutting instrument having a sharp blade fitted with a handle, and the answer is knife. Then the next question is a metal tool used at the dining table, and the answer for this question is fork. Next we have a direction finder using a magnetic needle, and the answer for this question is compass. Next we have the sixth question, a thin pointed piece of metal used for stitching, and the answer of this question is needle. Seventh question is a tool with a handle and a solid head at one end, used by blacksmith, and the answer is hammer. Then the eighth question is a tool used to cut trees, and the answer of this question is an axe. Next, the ninth one, a tool used to tighten a screw, and the answer is screwdriver. And then the last question is the 10th one, a tool used to dig out weeds in the garden, जिसको हम खुरपी बुलाते हैं या खुरपा भी कहते हैं, and the answer in English will be called as hoe, H-O-E, hoe. So this was all about the various tools which are used by our hands, and hence this is what the chapter is all about. I hope you have understood it. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned for the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.